it is the substance are chemically combined with the oxygen of the air and in producing heat and light. The main components of the fire is fuel, heat and oxygen. Now removal of any one of these is called extinguishing the fire. Now fire, when we hear fire, we take it in a other way. Otherwise fire, it is very much required in our day-to-day life. When we get up, we want a coffee or we want to make food. So fire is essential. But the disadvantage of the fire only we are thinking about when we hear about the fire. Now extinguishing media, we have to use the correct media for extinguishing. Suppose some grass fire. So there are three types of fire. One is solid fire, that is some grass, wooden item, things like that. Then liquid fire, that is some petrol, oil, things like that. Then gas and electric fire. So we have to use the correct media. Suppose some grass fire is there, we don't have to operate this extinguisher. We can simply pour some water, use some wooden item, things like that, because this is costly. And oil fire, actually we are supposed to use foam extinguisher, but we don't have, because this is not necessary for us. Foam extinguisher, so that extinguisher is not required. Then gas or electrical, presently we have only dry chemical extinguisher. This is called DCP in short form. So this contains 2 kg of CO2 cylinder and 5 kg of dry chemical powder. Now how the operation is this? This is a safety pin. So you have to take out the safety pin. Once you take out the safety pin, give a gentle tap. So what happens? The CO2 cylinder breaks. With the pressure, the powder comes out. Now while operating, you have to keep away from your face. Otherwise it will come on your face and it may damage your eyes also. So you have to keep it like this. Wherever you want, you can keep it like this. This is the way of operation. Very simple. And once it operated, complete powder goes out. You can't stop it in between. But main advantage is you can use it for oil fire, gas fire or any fire you can use it. Only thing you have to see economically. And now suppose that some other fire is there. So in that case we can use this. So in this what we have got is about 2 male coupling and female coupling. This is a male coupling. This you have to connect it here.
Is that already connected or we have to connect?
Now it is fixed here. Now it is not threaded. Now only first fitting. Now
और ये इसमें प्रेस करना है.
So ये fit हो गया. So take it. Now once it is straightened, so bending and all you have to keep it straight. Then once you, now it is open from the top. Overhead there is stand. From that stand